How to log in to Amazon Prime Student. So if you want to log into Amazon Prime Student, then first you need to go with search and search for Amazon Prime Student Login. Once you've searched here, you will have Amazon Prime Student. Simply go with the first search and it will take you to this kind of page. So make sure to log into your Amazon account. Once you've logged in, you will get your name right here. And after that, you can simply go with your Amazon Student Prime. So you need to scroll down and here you will have start your 6-month trial option. So you just need to simply click on it. And once you click on it, now you need to enter your details. So you need to enter the field that is required. So enter the university that you're studying in right now, and you need to enter the first and last name and date of birth, and then your graduation year. And you need to select a payment method. Once you've selected your payment method, you can go with continue, or if you don't have a payment method, you can add a payment method. And once you enter all of the information, go with continue, which is on the right side. And in this way, you'll be able to have the Amazon Prime student. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.